It's recording. Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Jonathan Golden and we are back with the GT3. My wife's behind the camera doing some weird stuff. Stop that. What we have new on this video is never to go to the DMV again to renew your registration. So my registration for my Chevy Volt, my other car, came in the mail. And if you're like me, you procrastinate to the last minute to pay for anything, because I don't like to pay anything, you know, right on time or in advance if it's not due, right? You just don't want to pay it. So it's $244 due tomorrow, but I didn't pay for it. So what do? You go in person to the DMV kiosk. So the kiosk could be located at Albertsons, Vons, or you can Google a DMV kiosk near you and you can find that. Other ways to renew your DMV is internet or by phone. So if you're like me, you get stuff in the mail, you forget about it, or you move around and you change your mailing address. So that happened to me one year where I renewed my license or renewed my registration for my car, and then I moved, and then the stickers came later at another address. I didn't get there, I no longer live there, and that was a misfortune because I got pulled over eventually because my stickers were expired, but my registration was renewed, so I had the paper. But the CHP, they're not really too lenient about it, so he gave me a fix-it ticket and I had to go buy new stickers at AAA, what's that called? Auto Club? Yeah, so AAA Auto Club, if you register there, you can pay there in person. The DMV fees, there's a short line, but you have to go there if you lost your sticker, someone took off your sticker. Nowadays, I haven't had any trouble with the stickers, but that cost me $18. So the kiosk was very handy. I used it. I've been using it for a few times. Someone reached out to me and said, hey, you should go to the DMV kiosk, because I talked to a lot of people, and that conversation happened to come up. And it took me a few minutes, went into Albertson at the kiosk, got my sticker right away, and now I'm gonna put on my car, and the registration is due tomorrow, so 9/22/2019, and it's gonna have a sticker, so I'm not gonna get pulled over, or if I do get pulled over, everything's gonna be current, registered, have my sticker and everything like that. So hope you found that helpful, because you don't want to get pulled over for that. It's a silly fix-it ticket, and it will, wastes money for that. And I'll just mention I'm in DMV, well, I'll just mention I live in California, so DMV is for California State, and the DMV fees are pretty crazy. I was reading them. It's 0.65% of the sales price. So mine was about $16,000. The registration fee is $136. We also have the license fee, $77, and we have the county district fees, $11. The smog abatement fee is $20. So total $244. You do not want to know what the registration is on this thing. It is about $1,200. The car was above $100,000. So yeah, yikes. You got to pay those once a year if you're in California. In other states too, I believe you have to renew it every year or every couple of years, and the prices vary. So I just wanted to give you guys that information. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm going to start doing more videos like on just helpful videos related to cars or maybe business, because going to the track every day with this car, it does eat up tires, and the videos are pretty limited for me on that. So hope you guys can subscribe and give me a like for this video, and if you have any comments down below, comment down below what you thought of the video, or if you have any questions, and I can help you out. Thank you. Stay golden.